We're on the hunt for the weirdest thing ever.
And we have to find the most random thing in the market, take a picture of it, record it.
Megan, what's that? Hola.
Copycat falling on top.
Hey, guys, leave.
We are running. We're going to win.
I know we can find really random things. What? Wait, what'd you say?
She's coming for us. She's gonna migrate.
Guys, we're.
What? Wait, so is this in the United States?
Yes! Guys, look, Megan, hold ours up. Okay, so we're getting a weird thing, okay?
A palsamina?
A palsamina, and they got an eggplant.
Oh, yeah, these are not in California. Oh.
Hola muchachas, espero que su proyecto sea fantástico, extraordinario y espero que tenga mucha puntuación. Éxitos.
Everyone, let's go. Sorry, it's okay. We're heading to the mall.
We're going to the mall.
There's Michael.
Can I squish his face?
Squish his face. This is called the cat park.
Hey guys, so in this moment I'm going to pet the cat and I see that it is wrapped in plastic and I was so sad. I could not, I was at such a loss of words. I was about to cry and it was terrible and I was so shocked. I've never seen this ever before and I hated it and I wanted to just take it off and wanted to take it home. Okay, bye.
Megan! The cat was wrapped with plastic and duct tape. Like somebody just felt the need to just wrap him up.
Why?
I don't know. I tried to take it off. Now we cross. Just jaywalking Peru. So we found this little area. We're following the mall signs, and this isn't the mall. And we walked down, and it was super sketch. And they had under the stairs, they had a bed. And I don't even know. Guys, we found the mall.
The actual mall.
Finally. Finally, we were looking. We're next. This is their supermarket called Wong, and it has a whole bunch of different places inside of it. Okay. Yeah, it's right there. It has a whole bunch of things in it.
Yeah.
Like chocolate. We just got chocolate. This is the Starbucks. I just got my mom a coffee mug, a Peru coffee mug. I'm so excited. Woo! About to watch the sun go down. It's gonna be fun. Bye!
Bye! After that, you can't.
Bye, Danielle.
Bye.
Bye. Fine, you go. Hey guys, so the Connecticut here, let's see it here. Hey guys, so the Connecticut people just left, and it was so sad because they were so amazing. And I'm so sad. I love them so much.
It was a good group.
It was such a good group, and we're at the Love Park right now. It's about, what time is it?
I don't know.
But we're gonna try these purple bananas. They're like pink. These pink bananas. They're like in Peru. They're grown in Peru, and I'm so excited because Megan hates bananas, but we're freaking trying them. So take one.
Smells like a banana.
So we're opening the bananas right now.
Here, I can hold both.
Okay. So these, I'm pulling it back right now. They're not pink. Andreas lied. It's okay, we still love him.
They could.
Okay.
Tastes like a
No.
Banana.
No, it does not. It's
Fat banana.
I know you didn't like it. You can tell my vlog.
I didn't like it. I don't like bananas. I don't like this.
It's actually really good. It's like almost
Joel, do you want
citrusy.
some? I do want to try it.
Yeah, it's like a banana, yeah.
I agree. It's not bad.
Wow, I really like this.
Flip one more. Okay, so this is vlog takeover with Megan, and we are currently here eating our pasta. But as you saw a couple minutes ago, the Dakota decided to eat some pink bananas that weren't pink, and we think she got sick from it. So she's just laying here. And there's JoJo. And she really wanted to vlog, but she said she wasn't feeling good, so I said I'd vlog for her.
We're having so much fun.
We were, and then she just got poopy. Her stomach hurts, but hopefully when she took some meds and some tea, maybe it'll make her feel better.
What's your montage here? Dance with me.
I'll go dance. Let's go.
Okay, girl.
Getting ice cream.
Last night. Everything.
We just said bye to Andres, so I'll quick right now. We're in check-in right now. We're gonna get our luggages checked, you know, to head back to LAX.
Hey guys, I'm whispering very quietly because we're not supposed to take Inca Colas in. So I'm a big baller.
Hi. Hey, we just landed.
Looking like a hobo, but that's okay.
Literally.
Because I've
I'm
been
so
wearing this
sad.
shirt for like I'm behaving.
See you later. Bye, vlog. Bye. You want to say bye to my vlog?
Adios.
Inca Cola. My sister came. So I'm back in the US right now. I'm actually at my sister's house, so we're planning a little surprise birthday for her boyfriend Michael, and we've all been like discussing and everything, and my sister's planned everything. And right now she picked me up from the airport and I took a shower, and my parents are gonna come get me and we're gonna play it off like it's like we're gonna go home. We're actually getting a hotel, not a hotel, but like a little renting like little houses like next door and stuff. And then we're all gonna get everything ready because his mom and his brother are here, and they're gonna take him to Long Beach. They're gonna go hang out for the day. We're gonna get everything ready and hand make all of the stuff, so I'm gonna vlog and it's gonna be so much fun. Last time you saw me was at my sister's apartment. Now I'm at my apartment tour. It's adorable. This is the living room table, and then here is my favorite part, the balcony, which has everyone who lives here around, and then the little chairs where you could sit and read. Really cute part. Oh, definitely this mirror. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, anyways, this is my room. I have 2 beds. Yes, I know. Don't need them both. I'm only gonna use this one. So, yeah. Only if Megan was here, she'd sleep right here. But she's not, sadly. My parents' room. Really cool. I'm sorry guys if I seem really drained right now. I'm about to take a nap because of the flight. I'm so tired and I don't really know what else to say because I'm literally exhausted. Surprise! Yeah, again.
Fast for everybody.